Well. Becca? Chastity. 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 Chastity. Okay, well, I don't know. I'm a big jumper. Becca, ninja. Hold on, let me see if it would get right here. No, it needs to be a little higher.
Put it up on the wall.
Okay, I gotta see. Okay, you guys are gonna watch us play ninja. Let me see if it'll get it up here. I don't know. We'll attempt. Okay.
We have the chair.
I mean, we can sit down and play ninja. That way it can get our faces or whatever. I don't really care. Here, ready? 1, 2, 3, ninja. Damn it. Haha. Yes.
Oh, I'm tired.
Oh, God.
What are you doing? Yes.
Victory.
I'm tired.
Becca, say hi. We had our sister's baby shower yesterday. Woohoo! Yay for Becca. I've been recording for 5 minutes. And then we were eating at, where was it?
Golden Corral.
The Golden Corral. And then we went to the mall afterwards, which was really fun. Not really.
Centimeter, Peter.
See a centimeter, Peter? Where?
By the tape thingy.
The tape thingy.
Going underneath the thingy.
What thingy? Oh, there you go.